I'll wear something else and things like that. But with Nagesh, I think once he decides, then he decides. Then you really can't change things with him.
But this is film में like language barrier की इसमें बात भी हो रही है. In real life, it happens that the person you love वो आपकी भाषा ना समझ पाए. So how will you express it? What is the best way?
Well, I am telling you, I mean, after this film, I was, that's what I realized, that अगर आप किसी से बात कर रहे हो, आप किसी को चाहते हो, अगर आप बता नहीं पाओ, तो आपकी गोची हो सकती है, आपकी वाट लग सकती है, सो एक तो उसके ऊपर ऑल्टरनेटिव ये है कि आप सीख लो फटाफट, एटलीस्ट वो इंपॉर्टेंट वर्ड सीख लो, आई लव यू, और बोल दो, या तो फिर साइन लैंग्वेज करो, एक बार देख लो और कन्विंस करने की कोशिश करो.
It has been said that comedy is very difficult to be enacted on screen. So how difficult was it for you?
Well, difficult because, see, in fact, I'm doing back-to-back comedies now, but all of them are with different schools. One is with Nagesh, one is with Sham Bab, one is with Rohit Shetty. I think keeping with the director's sensibilities and still trying to do comedy and still trying to make people laugh, pretty difficult thing to do. But yeah, I mean, if you're confident about your director, then things are made a lot more simpler.
What are your expectations about?
I'm keeping my fingers crossed. I've done my job. My director's happy. My producer's happy. I hope even the audience have the same thing to say. But that's the thing I want to repeat. It's a nice, light-hearted, romantic comedy. Family entertainer. You'll come out smiling. So let's see.
Okay, just one general thing. Are you participating in outdoor marathons?
Not really. I'm shooting on that day, so I won't be able to. But I think I've given a lot of interviews for that. कि दौड़ो ये करो. लोग कहेंगे साला बैठे-बैठे बोलने के लिए इसके बाप का क्या जाता है. But I think next year I'll be there for sure.
Thank you.
Yes, bye. American.